Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. I am here at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to see if they had anything new, but I am also on the hunt for some organizing bins. So let's see what they got. Ooh, my location finally has this faux fur and the colors are actually pretty cute. This could be cute for like, oh, I don't know. I was like, it kind of makes me think of Easter just because of the colors, and like it makes me think of bunnies, you know what I mean? But I think I am over that idea. I was going to maybe do some journals. Yeah, let's take a peek at the fabric. I love getting a fabric from the Dollar Tree. Not if I'm going to be making a bunch of journals, obviously, because these are like enough for one or two journals, but perfect for like personal use. And they have some really cute prints. This is a fun like summery lemon and florals. Let's see what they got over here. Yeah, this definitely, I just love that they have fabric, because when I first started doing Dollar Tree junk journal challenges, you had to get so creative with your covers if you wanted like a fabric cover. And I love that. I love a good challenge, but this just makes it so much easier because you can just buy the fabric. That's kind of cute. Okay, well, let's see what else they've got. So far, I'm just seeing all the basic things that they always have. Oh, okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna check out their stickers in a moment. Let's turn around here. These are cute. Okay, these definitely look to be new, the butterfly stickers. Yeah, I like the colors of these. Okay. Some more stamps. These are kind of fun to play with. They're like really big butterfly stickers. I'll take you down this lane here to see. I always am checking out their books because it's nice to reuse books that they have, the hardcover books. And I always check to see what it looks like underneath the sleeve. Checking out their like office supply items. Okay, so yeah, I'm needing some organizing bins for my son's room. These are actually nice, for pencils and pens and things. Those might work. These iridescent ones are kind of nice. Kind of fun also, but I'm still gonna look in the organizing area as well. Okay, we're gonna turn around here, see what kinds of paper they have. Colored index cards. Okay, I might come back to those organizing bins. I also really like the idea of having pencils and pens like in a shut, whoops, everything's gone, in something that has a lid so they don't go everywhere. Hey, you can get these like tackle boxes at the Dollar Tree. Perfect for your little embellishments and clear stickers. I don't think I've seen these before, so that's fun. All right, let's see what they have. He needs something to organize his papers, music papers, and pens and pencils. Okay, I think this is better for papers because it doesn't have the open wire. I'm gonna get 2 of those. These are actually really nice for papers too. If you don't want to have everything stacked. I think I'm gonna get 2 of these for him. Yeah, because you could also put pens and pencils in this thing too. And I love the pink ones, but I don't think I need any. Bulletin boards. All right, I think this is a pretty good setup. So this is what I'm gonna get here. And I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for shopping with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.